Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to bypass screen time passcode on iPhone. Firstly, open the Settings app on your device, then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. In the Screen Time, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode. Then tap on Location Services. Scroll down and select System Services. Find Set in Time Zone and make sure it is toggled off. Tap back to turn on the Location Services menu. At the top of the Location Services screen, toggle on Don't Allow Changes. This action will gray out all settings except System Services. If you tap on System Services, the Set in Time Zone option should be grayed out, ensuring it can't be altered. By following these steps, your child will be unable to change the time zone on their device, preventing them from extending their screen time during downtime periods set in screen time. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.